Flexatron Shawn Norden, the pro bodybuilder and former Mr. Olympia champion, has died at the age of 46 years old following a reported fatal heart attack. He was born April 2, 1975 in Kingston, Jamaica. Height 5 feet 10 inch, 178 centimeters. Weight 111 kilograms. Nickname Flexatron, Jamaican Muscle Machine. He won the 2018 Mr. Olympia contest by defeating 7-time Mr. Olympia Phil Heath. He was the oldest bodybuilder to win the Mr. Olympia title. My deepest condolences to his family and friends. May his soul rest in peace. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button and keep following my posts. Thank you. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Once again, click the subscribe button for my page. Thank you. May his soul rest in peace.